Okay, so we're checking out another video transmitter from AKK. This is the FX2 Ultimate Mini, and this is a half-size board. So normally these boards are mountable on a 30 by 30 stack. Is going to be obviously 30 by 30, but this is half the size, so you only have two screw mounting holes here. It's going to be useful in certain builds where you want to save some weight, and also in certain frames where a half-size board will fit in, whereas a full-size board may not. I think in a previous version of this, I'm not 100% sure, there might have been a connector here, but now they've gone to these solder pads on the bottom, and I like the way that they're going. They do include this nice silicone wire here, pretty thick gauge silicone wire. It's already attached, pretty long, so obviously you want to cut that down to length to whatever you're building. MMCX connector here, of course, and they do include the adapter, and I think the one that I got was the it looks like the SMA adapter. Get a single button operation here with some LEDs for changing your band's channel and power, but you don't need to do that. This one comes with smart audio on this green wire here, this pin, and it's called, you probably can't read it, but it says TBS. What's interesting about this particular model, and I think this is new, is this has a 12 volt and a 5 volt output for the camera. The one that's wired is for 5 volts, so you're going to have your video, ground, and 5 volts. These three wires are going to go to your camera, the green is going to go to your flight controller for smart audio, and then your power input to the video transmitter is going to be 7 to 26 volts, and it's going to be on these two wires here, so you're going to wire that up to your PDB or wherever you get battery voltage. And let's see what else we got here. We got a microphone here on the back, voltage regulator here. It's about that thick and weighs about 8 grams without the antenna. The power output is switchable from 0.01 pit mode. You get 25 milliwatts and 200 milliwatts and 600 milliwatts. 1200 milliwatts is locked, so if you get this in the United States, it's going to be locked. I believe elsewhere it might be unlocked. I'm not 100% sure about that, but there is a way to unlock it if you want to get access to the 1200 milliwatts. So there's certain frequencies, of course, that are locked by the FCC, so these frequencies here in the E band and then the 1200 milliwatts are locked, but just follow these instructions here to unlock those if you want to. But I think you need a ham license or something like that. It says requires special unlocking procedure, requires a ham license. So if you happen to have one of those, then you're good to go. So no flight demo for this one. I'm pretty sure that this one is going to perform just as well as a lot of the other AKK video transmitters that you've seen in the past. I don't think they've changed their chip design in any way. They've just basically modified things a little bit here in terms of making better wiring, maybe adding a couple of features here and there, reducing weight by getting rid of large LEDs, and obviously they fixed the smart audio in here, so it works with the latest version of Betaflight without any issues in terms of finding special firmware. So I fully expect this to work. I'll have this in a build at some point. Not sure when I'm going to put this in, but if you look for a 5-inch build at some point in the future, you'll probably see this, and you can check out the performance. I fully expect this to perform as well as any of the AKK products I've seen in the past. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.